Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Blackboard. Today we're going to see ways you can navigate through your pages and undo the changes you make to some pages. So you've already seen us navigate through pages sometime probably, and you select the page you are interested in by simply clicking on that page. You see here we got 1, for example, here 2, let's say 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, just to have something on the page. So you select the first page simply by clicking on the first page. You want to select another page, simply click on it. This is one way to do this. Another way is to click to the next and previous, right arrow and left arrow on your keyboard. You can also do the same thing by clicking the up arrow button and the down arrow button. You can try this on your own and see how it works out for you. Another way is to click on the buttons here in the left panel box. You see there's a button that says next page. There's another button that says previous page, and you click on the next button, you are taken to the next page. Click previous button, you are taken to previous pages. One thing I want you to notice is that these buttons can be active and inactive. Right now we are on the first page of our document, and you can see that the previous button is disabled. This is because it doesn't make any sense to go to the previous page of the first page because there is no page before that. I hope this makes sense. The same happens to the last page. You see, we can go back to the previous page, but we really have nowhere to go on the next page. Now, this covers our navigation through the pages. In this tutorial, I'd also like to talk about undoing your changes inside Blackboard. We can select our pen and type hello. And if you come to this button here, there are two buttons here. One is undo and the other says redo. And undo just undoes what you just did on the page, you see. So you click on it, the characters are disappearing. You click on the redo button and you bring back your content. This is very useful when you mistakenly done some operation and you just want to undo it. This comes in really handy in that way. One thing I want you to know is that once you leave the page, the undo and redo operations become deactivated. What do I mean by that? Right now, we can navigate through the undo and redo operations, right? So you can click again to bring things back, and you have them. But once you click to the previous page and come back to this page, you notice that we can't undo anything and the redo doesn't do anything. That's because the operations have disappeared, and the only chance you have to undo and redo things is while you still are to that page. Once you navigate away from that page, the changes are saved in your Blackboard document and you can change them again. Of course, if you want to change things, you can always select and delete or do other things, but that's how you use undo and redo for your own benefit. I hope this has been informative to you guys. I'll see you in the next videos.